Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by narrowing who you sell to and what you sell. This prevents wasted reach. First, pick the top 3 segments and write one clear value proposition per segment. Next, create a concise offer with price, deliverables, timeline, and a simple guarantee so prospects can decide fast. Finally, select 2 channels to test immediately: paid ads or email versus content or partnerships, and allocate a small, measurable budget so you can learn quickly. Once your offer and channels are set, build a focused funnel that moves people from awareness to lead capture to conversion. You must instrument tracking, add UTM tags, analytics, and conversion events so you know what works. Then run 3 A/B tests at once: creative, CTA, and headline, and measure lift over 7-14 days. Make sure to keep budgets stable, isolate variables, and double down on any combination that improves cost per acquisition by at least 20%. When a funnel consistently meets your cost per acquisition and lifetime value goals, scale gradually, increase spend in 2-fold steps, and monitor performance. Automate touchpoints. Set email sequences, chat flows, and CRM rules to handle volume without losing personalization. If results drop, troubleshoot. First, confirm tracking accuracy, then check audience overlap and creative fatigue, and finally review landing page experience. If one fix helps, pause other changes and iterate. Stay patient, because sustainable scale takes deliberate adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.